Ever found yourself in the stunning Aspen Valley, wrestling with the challenge of finding a contractor that offers both quality and affordability? It's quite a pickle, isn't it? But don't worry, a solution is at hand. Enter Jace Management. We're not just any contractor service. We're a team born and bred in the heart of Aspen Valley, and we know our terrain like the back of our hand. We're all about delivering top-notch services that won't break the bank, and we're committed to the same values that make our community so special. We understand that time is of the essence and nobody likes to be kept waiting. That's why we offer same-day services. Yes, you heard that right. Whether it's a minor leak or a major construction project, we roll up our sleeves and get to work immediately. We're not just fast, we're efficient, and we won't rest until we've delivered the best possible results for you. But don't just take our word for it. We believe in transparency, and that's why we've listed our pricing for all to see on our website. No hidden charges, no nasty surprises, just honest upfront pricing for quality work. So, the next time you're in a bind and need a reliable contractor in Aspen Valley, remember Jace Management. We're here, ready to serve you with quality, affordability, and speed. Why not hop on to AspenSameDayService.com right now to find out more about our services and pricing? You won't be disappointed. After all, we're not just contractors. We're your neighbors, and we're committed to making Aspen Valley an even better place to live. Remember, with Jace Management, quality and affordability don't have to be mutually exclusive. They're our promise to you, so don't delay. Visit AspenSameDayService.com today.